Are you looking to dive into the world of PC gaming but don't want to break the bank? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best budget gaming PCs for 2024 that offer a great balance between performance and price. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters, epic RPGs, or strategy games, these machines will help you get the most bang for your buck. Number 5. Skytech Blaze Tata. Inside, the Blaze 2 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor and paired with an NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super graphics card. What does this mean for you? It means smooth frame rates and beautiful visuals in popular games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Call of Duty, Warzone, all while staying under budget. You also get 8 GB of RAM and a 500 GB SSD. While this setup is perfect for most modern games, the good news is that the Blaze 2 is easily upgradable. You can add more RAM or storage as your gaming library grows. And let's not forget the stylish RGB lighting on the case, which gives it that extra flair without costing extra. If you're looking for a sleek design, solid gaming performance, and room for upgrades, the Skytech Blaze 2 is a great pick. But let's move on to our next contender. Number 4. CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR. Next up, at number 4, is the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR. This PC is built for gamers who want to experience virtual reality gaming without spending a fortune. Powered by an Intel Core i5-1240F processor and an NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics card, this machine handles not just regular gaming, but also supports VR experiences with ease. Whether you're jumping into Half-Life, Alex, or exploring worlds in VR chat, the Gamer Extreme VR will make sure your gameplay is smooth and immersive. Along with its VR capabilities, the 8 GB of RAM and 500 GB SSD ensure quick load times and responsive performance in your favorite games like Minecraft, Valorant, and Rocket League. One of the standout features of the Gamer Extreme VR is its price-to-performance ratio. You're getting solid hardware capable of handling modern games, and with the RTX 3050, you even get ray tracing capabilities at this budget. It also comes with a great-looking case that includes RGB fans, perfect for gamers who want that extra flair on their desktop. With VR-ready power and ray tracing graphics, the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR offers incredible value for anyone looking to step up their gaming experience. Now, let's move on to number 3. Number 3. Lenovo Legion Tower 5. Coming in at number 3, we have the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i. Lenovo has been building a reputation for creating high-quality gaming machines, and the Tower 5i is no exception. This PC strikes a perfect balance between affordability, performance, and upgradability. Equipped with an Intel Core i5-11400 processor and an NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics card, this machine is ready to take on anything you throw at it. From esports titles like CSGO to AAA games like Cyberpunk 2077, you can expect smooth gameplay at 1080p with medium to high settings. What sets the Legion Tower 5i apart from the competition is its solid build quality and future-proofing. The case is designed for airflow and easy upgrades, meaning you can swap out components as new tech comes along. Plus, with 8 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, you have enough power and storage to get started, with plenty of room to expand as you need. So, if you're looking for a sturdy, reliable gaming rig that can handle modern games while being upgrade-friendly, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is a great pick. Number 2. HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. At number 2, we have the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. HP is known for making reliable, budget-friendly computers, and the Pavilion Gaming Desktop is a fantastic choice for gamers who want a simple yet powerful gaming setup. Inside, you'll find an AMD Ryzen 5560G processor and an NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics card. While it's not the most powerful GPU on the market, it's perfect for 1080p gaming, handling popular titles like Fortnite, Overwatch, and League of Legends without any problems. The Pavilion Gaming Desktop also comes with 8 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD for fast load times and smooth multitasking. It's a straightforward gaming machine that delivers good performance without any unnecessary extras. It may not have all the flashy RGB lighting of other gaming rigs, but it makes up for that with a clean, minimalist design that fits well in any setup. Plus, its compact size means it won't take up too much room on your desk. If you're after a no-nonsense budget gaming PC that gets the job done, the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop is a solid choice. But now, let's get to our number 1 pick. Number 1. Acer Nitro 50. Taking the top spot on our list, the number 1 best budget gaming PC for 2024 is none other than the Acer Nitro 50. This machine offers outstanding value for money, combining power, performance, and a design that will look great in any gaming setup. The Acer Nitro 50 is packed with an Intel Core i5-12400 processor and an NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super graphics card, making it one of the most powerful budget gaming PCs out there. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters, open-world RPGs, or competitive multiplayer games, this rig will keep you in the action with smooth frame rates and stunning visuals at 1080p. With the Nitro 50, you can expect seamless performance in all your favorite games, from Far Cry 6 to Fortnite. Thanks to the GTX 1660 Super, even more graphically demanding titles like Red Dead Redemption 2 will run smoothly, making this PC a fantastic choice for any gamer on a budget. One of the standout features of the Acer Nitro 50 is its 1TB HDD and 256GB SSD combo. This setup gives you the best of both worlds, plenty of storage space for your game library and media, along with the speed of an SSD to ensure fast boot times and quick game loading. When it comes to design, the Nitro 50 doesn't disappoint. It has a sleek, modern look with subtle RGB lighting, perfect for gamers who appreciate a little style but don't want to go overboard with flashy lights. Cooling is another strong point. The well-ventilated case keeps temperatures in check, ensuring that your hardware runs optimally, even during long gaming marathons. No need to worry about overheating or throttling. And here's the kicker. It's not just a gaming machine. If you're into streaming, video editing, or other resource-intensive tasks, the Nitro 50 can handle those as well. It's a versatile powerhouse that delivers fantastic performance across the board. So there you have it. Our top 5 best budget gaming PCs for 2024. From the highly affordable Skytech Blaze 2 to the all-around performance beast that is the Acer Nitro 50, there's a gaming PC here for everyone, no matter your budget. Whether you're a casual gamer or someone who's ready to dive deep into the world of high-performance gaming, each of these PCs offers incredible value and a great gaming experience. So, which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments which gaming PC you think is the best bang for your buck. And if you're ready to level up your gaming experience, be sure to check out the links in the description for more details and where to buy. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more gaming content. We have tons of videos coming your way to help you make the best tech decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy gaming!